Audi AI TRAIL Quattro. An off-road concept from the future, the Audi AI TRAIL Quattro blends autonomous features with formidable off-road prowess. All-wheel drive that doesn't require a driveshaft is provided by its 4 electric motors. The vehicle's body is a solid construction using carbon fiber, aluminum, and high-tech steel. Among its distinctive qualities is the cabin's nearly all-glass construction, which offers unparalleled view in all directions. This layout makes you feel really at one with nature. As one of 4 futuristic Audi vehicles, the AI TRAIL Quattro exemplifies a holistic vision for environmentally friendly, emission-free off-road transportation. Even in places with limited charging infrastructure, the sufficient range is guaranteed by the vehicle's large battery capacity. The absence of large screens for streaming or video conferencing is intentional, as the emphasis is on experiencing nature. GAC Barchetta. The GAC Barchetta is an ultra-modern concept vehicle that reimagines the minimalist aesthetic. This GAC design electric sports car takes inspiration from the studio's earlier in-house ideas, as well as 1970s Italian automobiles. Flat design, powered by batteries, roofless, and capable of fast speeds are all hallmarks of this vehicle. Comparable to a massive mobile phone, the ultra-flat chassis houses small batteries. The aircraft's body is a lightweight and eye-catching monomaterial aluminum. On the inside, the car's basic design is continued with seats constructed from recyclable plastic and a small drive-by-wire steering wheel. The seats are attached to a lightweight shell weighing in at a mere 3 kilograms. The design company opened its doors not long ago in Milan's design quarter, and the GAC Barchetta is the debut model in the GAC car culture line. GAC Van Life Concept. An all-terrain vehicle concept for the future, the GAC Van Life is a work of art. Electric camper vans like this one from the GAC Group's Car Culture series are known for their innovative layouts that make the most of limited internal space by incorporating compact electric drivetrains. Having symmetrical proportions, full-width LEDs, huge wheels, and significant ground clearance, the van's exterior gives it an otherworldly adventure vehicle appearance. 4 LiDAR sensors allow it to navigate autonomously, and its futuristic tires include retractable flaps for superior traction on any surface. However, a comparable electric RV with semi-autonomous technology, the Pebble Flow, is said to launch at approximately $125,000. However, the search results do not include particular specifics regarding the pricing of the GAC Van Life concept. An approximate range for the market for such revolutionary vehicles could be suggested by this. Morgan Super 3. Morgan, a British automaker, made a 3-wheeled roadster called the Morgan Super 3. Constructed on a 3-part aluminum base, it is the inaugural Morgan to include a monocoque structure. Its 1.5-litre Ford 3-cylinder engine greatly outshines that of earlier 3-wheeled Morgan versions in terms of both power and performance. You can put all of your focus on the unparalleled driving experience in the Super 3 thanks to its ergonomic cockpit. The inside is resistant to dust and water, and it includes several unique ways to store your belongings. The Automotive assembly plant is located in Malvern, Worcestershire, England. At around 635 kilograms dry, it has the following dimensions: 3,581 millimeters length, 1,850 millimeters width, and 1,132 millimeters height. Jumping from 0 to 60 miles per hour on the Super 3 takes 7 seconds, and it can reach a top speed of 130 miles per hour. Ramsmobile RMX2. When it comes to high-tech features, powerful performance, and elegant styling, the Ramsmobile RMX2 is in a league of its own. Its carbon fiber monocoque chassis is sturdy and mud-resistant, thanks to Teflon coatings in strategic places. The air suspension has a whopping 12 inches of travel, and a laser sensor takes care of the height adjustment automatically, so the ride is nice and smooth. It has a bunch of powertrain options, such as 6.2 LT5 engine, a 6.6 V8 Duramax, or it may be powered entirely by electricity. Inside, you'll find a compelling red lighting scheme, contoured leather chairs, a series of screens, and either 4 or 6 seats. Ballistic protection levels of B6 and B7 are available as options. The RMX2 is a highly sought-after and rare car due to its low production volume. Just 12 will be manufactured. A base model of the Ramsmobile RMX2 costs $1 million. BAC Mono F. One lightweight British sports automobile is the BAC Mono F, which seats one. It's an engineering and design marvel that prioritizes precision and artistry. A 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine with naturally aspirated technology generates 305 horsepower for the Mono F. The carbon tub serves as the chassis, and the engine and gearbox are located behind it, powering the back wheels. The Mono F comes with a PowerFlow limited slip differential and a 6-speed sequential gearbox. With prices starting at over £160,000, it's clear that this computer is unique and unusual. The ergonomic design and high-quality fit and finish make it a breeze to use. Additionally, the Mono F showcases state-of-the-art lightweight material technologies. It may be completely impractical, but it is undeniably one of the most fascinating automobiles ever created. It's a breathtaking car that raises the bar for customization and reimagines the concept of luxury. Rezvani Vengeance Military Edition. Superior safety and performance are hallmarks of the Rezvani Vengeance Military Edition, an opulent and sturdy SUV. At around $285,000, this vehicle is equipped with a 6.2-litre supercharged V8 engine that generates 707 horsepower. The exterior is fortified with bulletproof armor, ballistic glass, and reinforced body panels, which are of military standard and offer superior protection. The Vengeance is ready for anything with its electrified door handles, thermal night vision system, smokescreen, and bomb protection. Thanks to its upgraded suspension and run-flat tires, it can handle off-road terrains beautifully. With its plush leather upholstery, state-of-the-art entertainment system, and roomy interior, this vehicle is the epitome of luxury. A 360-degree video system, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning are just a few of the driver assist technologies included in this technologically advanced vehicle. Rezvani Tank. Since its introduction in 2017, Rezvani Motors has been manufacturing the Rezvani Tank, a mid-size SUV. The SUV is intended for use on public roads and is designed to have a tough appearance. The engine that drives the tank is either a 6.4-litre V8 engine from the Dodge SRT that produces 500 horsepower or a 6.2-litre supercharged V8 engine from the Dodge Demon that produces 1,000 horsepower. It has two distinct off-road packages, each of which features high ground clearance, a top-of-the-line 3.0-inch Fox off-road suspension, and tires that are capable of handling any terrain environment. It is equipped with high-intensity LED lighting, an on-demand four-wheel drive system for off-road use, and a thermal night vision system that can be purchased separately. It is a vehicle that is truly one of a kind in the world of automobiles, since it perfectly combines the qualities of luxury, ruggedness, and performance. BYD Yangwang U8. A premium off-road SUV, the BYD Yangwang U8 is a product of BYD's Yangwang sub-brand, which is a high-end category. A gasoline engine serves as a range extender for an electric car, which is a hybrid vehicle. With 4 distinct electric motors, each of which is responsible for driving a single wheel, the U8 is equipped with BYD's patented E4 individual wheel drive technology. The traction control system is able to redistribute torque and keep the car stable in the event that a tire puncture occurs when the vehicle is moving at a high speed thanks to this technology. BYD's Blade battery is included in the U8. However, the capacity and range of this battery type have not yet been disclosed. In addition to being an all-wheel drive electric car with an increased range, the U8 is a demonstration of the superior engineering that has been applied to the automotive industry. There is a dynamic generator for the battery that is included into this innovation. Jaguar C-type continuation. In honor of Jaguar's legendary C-type and its 7 decades of success in motorsport, the automaker has unveiled the C-type continuation. Handcrafted in Coventry, this limited edition Jaguar is a product of Jaguar Classic Works. Its specifications are identical to those of the working team car that won the 1953 Le Mans, down to the disc brakes and 3.4-liter straight-six engine with triple Weber carburetors that produced 220 horsepower. As far as Jaguar classic cars go, the C-type continuation is the first to be meticulously replicated, utilizing 3D CAD for cutting-edge engineering. Every vehicle is prepared for the track since it has passed durability tests and has safety measures recognized by the FIA. Notable design upgrades include an aerodynamic body and air intake technology. There are 12 exterior historical colors to choose from, and 8 different leather shades are available for the race seats. Porsche 911 Dakar. The Los Angeles Auto Show in 2022 saw the debut of the Porsche 911 Dakar, a one-of-a-kind take on the legendary 911. It pioneers the concept of a two-door sports automobile with exceptional off-road capability. The inaugural overall triumph of Porsche in the Paris-Dakar Rally is commemorated by the model name. The 911 Dakar excels in both urban and off-road settings. With its 8-speed Porsche Doppelkupplung transmission, its 353 kilowatt of power are sent to each of the 4 axles. The vehicle's ideal handling is the result of its rear axle steering, Porsche dynamic chassis control, and a firmer engine mount. The rally launch control ensures flawless stage starts even on uneven terrain. Distinctive features of the 911 Dakar include an ATV tire package, sturdy side skirts, a stainless steel guard, and a unique front fascia. It's an adventure car that can handle any terrain. Alpha Saga. Developed by Alpha Motor Corporation, an American electric car manufacturer, the Alpha Saga is an electric compact sedan that will be released in the near future. This model is derived from the Alpha Ace Coupe. The Alpha Saga is essentially a 4-door sedan version of the Ace, which is a 2-door coupe. It was introduced to the public at the Los Angeles Auto Show on November 19, 2021. It is projected that the vehicle has a range of more than 300 miles, a time of 6.0 seconds to get from 0 to 60 miles per hour, and it is available with either a single-motor rear-wheel drive or a twin-motor all-wheel drive configuration. 4,700 millimeters in length, 1910 millimeters in breadth, and 1440 millimeters in height are the outside dimensions. There is space for 5 people in the Alpha Saga, and it has a cargo area that is 14 cubic feet in size. In addition to that, it comes with a premium sound system, a wide format center display. Alpha Jacks. It is anticipated that the American electric car manufacturer Alpha Motor Corporation would begin production of the Alpha Jacks, which is a subcompact crossover quad coupe that is powered by electric propulsion. This model is derived from the Alpha Ace Coupe. A 3D rendering of the Alpha Jacks was made available online in February of 2022, and it is anticipated that the product will be released by the end of 2023. There is a meaning behind the word Jacks, which is Junior All-Terrain Crossover. The vehicle is essentially the Ace Coupe, but it has 2 additional half doors in the rear for easier access to the rear, a higher suspension, and off-roading tires and accessories. It has been estimated that the Jacks has a range of more than 250 miles, a time of 6.5 seconds to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour, and a capacity to pull 839 kilograms. Both the daytime running lights and the LED signature headlights are included in this vehicle. Alpha Motor Montage Coupe. Unique electric coupes like the Alpha Motor Montage are hand-built and produced in small quantities. A nod to the 50s style of iconic British sports cars served as its aesthetic inspiration. The Montage Coupe has a 400-volt lithium-ion battery system that was custom-built and has an estimated range of 250 miles. At its peak, the electric motor can provide 150 kilowatt of power and 3,335 Newton meters of torque. Features such as fender blisters and a teardrop-shaped cabin contribute to the exterior's refined style and give it an air of timeless charm. There is comfy seating for 2 people inside, as well as extra storage space. In addition to being an automobile, the Montage Coupe stands as a symbol of the electric vehicle revolution. It begins at $499,000. Thanks to its one-of-a-kind combination of vintage style and cutting-edge technology, this car is unlike any other on the road.